Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we'll be unboxing my Shein packages. Hey guys, my Shein items finally arrived and I am so excited to open it with you. I ordered this item last month and basically guys, I don't order this much amount, especially in fashion, because I'm not into fashion. As long as the fit's good to me, then that's totally fine. But now I decided to purchase something for myself because I'll be traveling next month for my vacation. So normally I only spend this much once a year. So this is one of the deserves moment that kills your pocket. So let's get into it. So here are the items I have in my cart. Men's hiking shoes, a portable waterproof case for my DJI camera, a mini selfie stick, loose fit cargo pants for men, black sneakers, a black backpack, men's pocket jackets in brown and gray, a baby blue thermal coat, a black jacket, and 3 long sleeve neck shirts. So these are the items that I purchased in Shein.
Wow.
So let's check it one by one. So the first one guys is the DJI waterproof case. So I decided to bought this item because I don't have any case for my DJI. So it's good when you have a case for your camera para safe talaga siya. Kasi dito kasi sa case guys, lahat ng accessories is pwede malagay. This is the selfie stick, also this is the battery, and ito yung camera, at saka yung mga accessories ng DJI. So maganda talaga pag meron kang case sa camera mo para safe yung camera mo. So I bought this item for 6 Omani Real or around $15. It's actually good. The quality is actually good guys. I can feel it from outside, and also yung zipper niya napakaganda. So I think it's worth the price. And the next one guys is the backpack. So I decided to buy backpack for all the important things para sa travel ko because I don't want to bring stroller hand carry kasi medyo difficult siyang dalhin kasi plano ko kasi mag-vlog din doon. So it's much better if you only have one bag trolley kesa naman sa dalawa, di ba? Hindi mo ma-hold yung camera while you're doing your vlog. So that's why I decided to buy this bag para sa mga important things ko for my travel. So I decided this style because it's a Korean style. It looks good also, and I think also the quality is nice. By the way, the price of this bag is 8.4 Omani Real or around $22. I think it's worth the price also. It's actually nice guys. Yung zipper din niya, it's very nice. Ito talaga yung importante, yung zipper. And I can feel yung quality ng bag niya talagang maganda siya. So I can put my laptop here and all my important stuff here. So I think it's a good idea that I bought this bag. Basically guys, Middle East is very hot. So normally hindi talaga ako bumibili ng mga winter clothes kasi yung season lang dito ng winter is hindi din siya medyo malamig at only for like 3 months lang siya malamig dito. So it's not worth it to buy a lot of winter clothes sa Middle East. So I have this brown winter jacket. Actually guys, medyo pricey ito but I don't know bakit pricey siya. Yung cost nito is 9.2 Omani Real or $23.8 US. So I think it's because of the color, but let's try to fit. Actually guys, doon sa application maganda siya tingnan, but I don't know if it's good for me. So the next one is the gray one. So itong gray, same lang talaga siya sa first one. Yung quality niya same lang din. But this is more cheaper. This is 4.2 Omani Real. Like it's half the price sa brown. So I don't know why. Maybe hindi to siya saleable yung kulay. But I think it's good. Well, for me this is more comfy than the brown one. So kumusta guys? Okay ba? So guys, I also got this long neck sleeve tees. It comes with 3 different colors. So the black one, the white, and also the brown. So this cost around $18. So i-try natin guys if fit. I-remove muna natin yung microphone. So next we will try the white one.
Wow.
Maganda naman siya. Yung quality niya actually maganda. Medyo comfortable siya. It's perfect for winter. I think this is a good pair sa black jacket ko. Pang-inner siya. So ito pala yung neck niya. Kasi last time kasi nung nag-travel ako winter, talagang sobrang lamig talaga dito sa neck. And wala akong pang-cover. So anyway, let's try the other color. So maganda din ito guys. Itong color na to is maganda. Yung combination ng color niya, yung brown, yung white, at saka yung black. Maganda siya eterno sa kahit anong kulay. So that's why I decided to have this color. And hindi talaga ako nag-regret guys na bumili ako nito kasi maganda yung fit niya and yung quality ng cloth niya is maganda rin. So the next one guys is the jacket. So actually maganda yung zipper niya, maganda din yung quality ng jacket niya at saka napili ko ito kasi gusto ko talaga itong kulay na to. Medium size pala ito guys, medium size. So price pala nitong jacket guys is 11.5 Omani Real, $29.8. So let's try this on. Actually guys, itong fit na ito medyo maliit siya sa akin kasi medyo masikip siya dito sa arms ko. At saka yung length niya, medyo short din siya. So I tried na i-return siya pero na-check ko yung process ng pag-return at saka exchange guys. Medyo long process siya at saka medyo hassle na siya sa part ko kasi kailangan mo pang mag-check ng courier para ibalik dun sa warehouse sa Dubai kasi galing kasi ito sa Dubai. So yung Shein na warehouse is from Dubai, so sa Oman ako. Very hassle to my part, so kailangan na lang itong suotin kasi na-purchase na natin to, sayang din naman. So next guys is black. Okay naman siya guys, yung fit niya is okay, hindi masyado masikip dito compared sa blue one kasi maybe sa type sa tela niya na ginagamit. So, dapat if bibili tayo sa online, i-double check talaga natin yung sizes ng item kasi mahirap talaga siya i-return at saka i-exchange. Kasi binili ko ito guys while nasa work ako, so I only have limited time na mag-select ng items doon kasi you know, may customer din ganun. So dapat talaga binili ko ito andito ako sa bahay, yung free talaga ako. So guys, I also purchased 2 cargo pants, the brown one and the black one. So let's also try this on. I think medyo malaki siya sa akin. But yung loose type niya is maganda siya. Kailangan lang ito ng belt. Guys, yung black niya is super ganda. Napakaganda talaga ng fit. At saka saktong-sakto lang siya sa akin. Guys, ang cost pala nitong dalawang pantalon guys is 9.2 Omani Real and the other one is 10 Omani Real. So around $26 guys each. So yung next guys is yung sapatos. First muna natin buksan yung black one. So ito pala yung style ng shoes. So ito yung napili ko kasi magagamit ko rin ito sa work ko after sa travel ko. So guys, I think in terms of quality, okay naman siya. Comfy naman siya sa paa. So price pala nitong shoes guys, it's 10 Omani Real or around $26. Yeah. The last but not the least is the white one. Sobrang gaan niya suotin. Comfortable naman siya. Pero yung quality niya lang talaga, parang hindi siya maganda, pero maganda talaga siya sa picture guys. So guys, yun yung lahat ng nabili ko sa Shein and worth $260. Okay naman siya. At nagustuhan ko naman yung mga item ko. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, please don't forget to like, share, and comment. And also subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys and see you in my next video.